Tute number 2, last question. Tute number 2, last problem. The same type, but the sine inverse series. Sine inverse 1 over root 2, sine inverse 1 over root 10, sine inverse 1 over root 50. Then why don't you change for tan inverse? Because you know the previous type. Therefore, shall we convert this all sine inverse parts into tan inverse? Then there's a probable method. So how the sine inverse to what is sine theta? If I draw some, I'm explaining that if it's theta, what is sine theta? 1 here root 2. Therefore, here 2 minus 1, 1. So first answer, sine inverse 1 over root 2 means tan inverse 1. What is tan theta? 1. Or second one. Or the second one, not everything. If I say theta or alpha, whatever, rough work, this is a rough work. What is sine inverse? Sine can 1 over square root 10, right? Therefore 10, 9, 3 here 3. So sine inverse 1 over square root 10 means tan inverse 1/3. Tan inverse 1/3. Or the next one also, the same pattern. If I say theta or alpha, here 1, here root 50, sine root 50. Therefore 49, 7. So sine inverse 1 over 50 means tan inverse 1/7. Therefore the easy method, I think you can convert everything into tan. So write these parts into tan. So sine inverse 1 over root 2 is tan inverse 1. Next one, tan inverse 1/3. Next one, tan inverse 1/7. Okay, next one, tan inverse, that 170 mean 13, 13, 1 over 1/13. It goes up to n terms, up to n terms. So the answer also they are given, I think, yes. So rearrange a pattern as I mentioned earlier. This pattern, if you convert to tan inverse, the idea tan A plus B or tan inverse A plus B, tan inverse within bracket A plus B, that is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B over 1 minus AB form. So here tan inverse, that is 1 over tan Z1. Try to remember this one, tan inverse. So can I write this one? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Below 1 plus 2 into 1. Check the previous problem. Plus tan inverse. How this 1 over 7, 2 times 1, that is 3 times 2, 3 times 2, 6, 6 and 1, 7. 3 minus 2 over 1 plus 3 into 2. Check that. 3 minus 2 is 1. Below 3 times 2, 6, 6 and 1 is 7. Okay, that case, finally, that next one also try. How the 1 over 13, tan inverse. Here first term, okay, second term, third term, next one, 4 minus 3, 1 plus 4 into 3, 12, 1, 13, right? 1 plus 4 into 3, and so on, right? It goes up to n terms, and so on, right? Write this part. Yeah, okay, tan inverse 1. Now we expand this. Tan inverse A minus B is tan inverse A minus tan inverse B over 1 plus AB, that form. See the first one, tan inverse 1. Look here, important now. Clearly identify the pattern not only for this question. See how this is possible. Can I write this one? Tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Okay. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Okay. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 is tan inverse 2 minus 1 over 1 plus 2 into 1. A minus B over 1 plus AB form, right? Next, I show you vertically to easy explanation now. Tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. Next one, tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3. So if you move like this many terms, better you show last two terms. How the last two terms n minus 1. Here 2 means here 1, 3 means 2, 4 means 3. Yeah? Tan inverse n minus 1 means tan inverse n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay. The last one, tan inverse n. Then here tan inverse n minus 1 is it. Check that. 4 mean 3, n mean that. Now adding a summation, a series question, inverse series. Check geometry, a lot of parts, a lot of questions there. Now see, when you simplify here, this pad add is cancel. This pad all these cancel. Finally you have, I think, tan inverse 1 available. Okay. Plus tan inverse n, is it? Okay, tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse n is available. Or the answer, maybe the answer is problem. The answer in terms of tan not clear. I think the answer. To check tan inverse completely. Okay, 1 plus that. Okay, all pattern completed. Okay. If I write this the form of tan, actually this is pi by 4, this is pi by 4, right? And the answer something went wrong, I will see. Can I take tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB form? Tan inverse 1 plus n over 1 minus n. Okay, tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse n equal tan inverse 1 plus and tan inverse A plus B over 1 minus AB is the answer. A small part wrong, the answer given is not clear. It's the answer. So otherwise pi by 4 plus this. Or you can write the sign inverse, because all the series goes in sign term, answer sign, sign pattern. So if you know tan theta, what is sin theta? I think the answer is sine, I think. What is tan theta? 1 plus n over 1 minus n. So what is the hypotenuse? Square of that plus square of that, using that case, tan theta, then write the sin theta. So if you simplify here, 1, 1, 2, plus 2n minus 2n cancel, and 1, 1, 2 plus 2n minus 2n cancel. Here n square, 2n square, but square root. Therefore, what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite over that one. Maybe like this, so any root 2. If they ask in sin answer, maybe simplify that form. Or better tan inverse 1 plus n or 1 minus n. That is not available, not a tan inverse square root something. So miss the. What do you think of this case? Sin inverse swelling like this. Is it okay? Is the series type question involving inverse problems.